In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to import in bulk several reviews at one time using a CSV file. As soon as you log in, click on the Custom Reviews menu link found on the left. After you see the Custom Reviews dashboard, click on the light blue Import Review button to bring up the modal pop-up. Download the sample XLS Excel file to your desktop. Open the file in a program like Microsoft Excel or in Google Sheets. After you open the XLS file, notice that there are 7 columns of information. Do not change the name of the columns. The first column, called Picture, is the URL of the main photo of the review. The name is the first row of text for the review, or typically of the name of the reviewer. Rate is the rating, given by the reviewer. You can list a whole number, or a number to the 10th decimal. The column called Text is the content of the review, the Date column is the date of the review. For icon, paste the URL to a logo of a company or organization, or just leave it empty. The last column includes a list of tags you would like to apply to each review. Separate the tag words or terms with a comma, just as you see in the example. When you're done, save the file, and next we will upload the file into SMB Reviewer. It's best to use PNG files for the 2 image URL values. Now, click on the center to drag the file that we saved to the modal pop-up. After you click Worksheet, you will notice that all of the column values automatically line up. This is shown within the red outline. The only thing now that you need to do is click the Skip First Row checkbox, and then click the Import Data button. Close the window. The last step is simply to refresh the page or to click on the Custom Reviews menu link and you should see your new reviews imported into your Custom Reviews list.